Did you know that the world's first computer programmer was a woman? Did you know that both the basis of photography and the nature of combustion were discovered when looking for the best way of dyeing clothes? And that the author published her work as a draft because she feared plagiarism? Do you happen to know that scientists usually argued passionately and traded barbs in their writings? And would you like to study how they wrote firsthand? MuStE stands for Research Group for Multidimensional Corpus-Based Studies in English. The typographical design of our name shows our interest in the evolution of English. In MuStE, we are interested in different aspects of the English language. How it varies according to different contexts, and how it changes across time. Although we cover different fields, we are better known because we study the language of scientific writers from the 18th and 19th centuries. Our research group is based at the University of Coruña in Spain. Although some researchers from other institutions also collaborate with us. On many occasions, people in MuStE resort to empirical research, that is, to samples from real language. Our works combine traditional philological knowledge and modern linguistics approaches. Among our main research interests are discourse analysis in the history of English, language change in English, lexical and semantic change, English morphology and vocabulary, register variation and syntax, and of course, corpus linguistics and corpus compilation. Many of our research questions can be answered with the team's major project, the compilation of the Coruña Corpus of English Scientific Writing. The Coruña Corpus of English Scientific Writing, or CC in short, a specialized corpus covering several scientific disciplines. We started its design in 2003, and we thought then that it should be very clearly organized. Although the subcorpora can be used independently, they all share the same principles, structure, and markup. Yes, markup. We were using XML and following TE at a time when other corpus compilers were typing TXT. XML was then time-consuming, and we also decided to include files with information about the text and the author in each sample. Yes, it was time-consuming, but much better in the long run, as it gave users the possibility to do searches using different criteria, including precisely that information about authors and texts for social linguistic approaches. The subcorpora in the CC compiled so far are Sita, Safit, Chet, Sichet, Celeste, and Citel. Sita and Safit were published by Benjamins in 2012 and 2016 respectively. Over the years, many students obtained their PhD within the group, some of them carrying out their research on the CC. Senior researchers in the group are delighted to advise students interested in the evolution, structure, and use of the English language. If you want to know more, please visit our webpage.